Guys, welcome back to Z Grill's Taste the Smoke. Of course, my name is Tommy, and I will be your host over here today. And today's show is going to be all about a good old beef chuck that we are going to do a 7-day brine in the fridge. After that, we are going to rub it up with some custom spices. And then we are going to turn it into New York pastrami. This is going to be fun. This is going to be tasty. Let's get right into it. So to get this one going, 7 days before the brine, you are going to want to get these ingredients together. 1 quart of water and the rest of the ingredients, the full list down in the description. That is pink curing salt. You've got to use that. Go right to Amazon, pick it up. It is not that expensive, and follow the directions. You are going to bring all that goodness up to a low simmer. This is going to be another quart of plain old water, cold, going in. You got to cool down that brine mixture. That is a food safe bag, and also our 4 pound beef chuck. That is our cooled down brine mixture. We will get all that goodness in that bag, get it sealed up in a pot and in the refrigerator, where she is going to sit for the next 7 days or so. And of course, here we are, a quick 7 days. We will snip that top. Now, you're going to want to get it in the colander, that liquid. You've got a lot of berries and stuff in there. You don't want to clog out the sink. A colander is good. Also, you are going to wipe it or rinse it off in cool running water to get that salt on it. That is our custom spice mixture right there. Again, all information is down in the description. You want to get all that together. Give that a good mix. Make sure there is no lump on that brown sugar. There is our dried off beef chuck, soon to be pastrami. And this one gets started on a rack on a tray with some yellow mustard, pastrami, corned beef, yellow mustard has to be. From there, you can apply that custom spice and just kind of be careful. You want to turn it over on the rack. Make sure the other side is nice and dry, and repeat the process. Again, yellow mustard and then that custom spice mixture. We will just allow this to sit on the stove to come up to room temperature. It is time to get outside and tend to our snowy Z grills. It has been one snowy month here in the Garden State. Molly loves it, me not so much. We've got about 2 feet on the ground, no biggie there. Clean the Z grill off, fire it up, set that dial to 270 Fahrenheit. Once that temperature is reached, we are going to get that pastrami right on and allow it to go for 2 hours. Again, no peaks, just let it go 2 hours. After that time, I will bring you guys back. And here we are 2 hours later. Of course, the Z Grills has been laying down that smoke nonstop. That is exactly what you want. We will give it a look over. It should be cooking fairly well at this point. That bark should be, starting to come along a little bit. We will get it sprayed down with a flat out water mixture, and also we will put a tin underneath with some hot water. That is going to help steam cook the pastrami. That is a little New York trick. 4 hours in, and I do believe we are good to go. And we are hitting that 200, 205 or so. Toothpick tender is where you're going to want to be. So we are looking good on this pastrami. It is time to take a little peek at the work that we worked. Not so very hard to get. I mean, this is an easy cook right here. This is a fun cook, something different. And I got to tell you, that is looking good. But hey, man, that is not looking like pastrami to me. But you are going to see how it does look like pastrami when we get this down to the shack. Allow it to sit on the board for about 10 minutes or so. At that point, I will bring you guys back. We will slice it open, talk about it, and close out the show. Alrighty, all, and there you have it. New York style pastrami from a beef chuck. A fun cook, an easy cook with the right spices on top to get that pastrami taste. Absolutely, you know, it's a no-brainer. You put it down, it is a no-brainer. It is a fun cook, something different, you know, something to flex your old muscles on. Let's go on in. Let's get a couple slices and see how we did. Oh man, slicing like butter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I took a peek. That is exactly what I am talking about. Pastrami as pastrami can be. And we are still a little bit warm here. It is pastrami. It is not brisket, so I didn't have to let it, you know, I didn't have to let it set up. We get a couple slices. Oh man, this looks absolutely gorgeous. Guys, come on. Look at this. I mean, this is just it's an amazing cook, man. It is an amazing fun cook for sure. Let's go on in. We got to get that taste test. And of course, cheers. Wow. Oh man. Absolutely crazy how much you can get a beef chuck to taste like pastrami. You don't really get the mustard. I put that mustard binder on there, salami, corned beef mustard. It all goes, but it is all in that seasoning, that rub mixture that we mixed up on there. That gives it, you know, that pastrami taste, and that 7-day brine just gives it that pastrami color. No, look, Blake, break out some New York rye, some yellow mustard, build yourself up some beef chuck pastrami sandwiches, and I am telling you, this is going to go on your list that you are going to want to make it time after again and again. That's it. What else could I say, man? Other than do not forget that Z Grills is going to have this full recipe down in the description. Just follow that link over there. Take it right to the website and print out everything you need. And also, while you're at it, do not forget to follow that YouTube channel, the website, the Facebook channel, the Instagram channel. You follow all of them, and Z-Grill will have you smoking, have you grilling all year long. I can guarantee it. Again, my name is Tommy. There is only one thing to do. That is get outside and fire up those Z-Grills so you also could taste the smoke. That is all I have for you today. It is fresh pastrami from Beef Chuck, and we will see you soon.